Hey, Perry Jeffries here, the Entrepreneur CFO, coming to you with some valuable information. So, are you a small business owner? If you are, I almost know for certain that you're experiencing some pain. How do I know that? Because 70 to 80% of businesses fail. I know this for certain. How do I know this? Because I too have had a failed business in the past. But I'm here to share some information with you that I know is going to help you out and allow you to be one of the 20% of businesses that are successful and healthy. How we help our clients is simply this. We help them 3D every process. And when we say 3D, that stands for making data-driven decisions. You see, when you own a business, you have the inkling to sometimes make decisions based upon emotion. And making financial decisions based upon emotion is never a good thing. I've never seen it turn out well. So what we help you do is make data-driven decisions so that you're making decisions based upon hard numbers and figures. And when we make those data-driven decisions, it allows your business to become lean. Now, not lean like, your 5% body fat, but lean in this sense, leveraging energy and assets to increase net profits. See, you have assets, which may be cash or hard assets, but also too, your energy is super important with respects to having a healthy business, okay? So we allow you to become lean by implementing our 3D process, but also too, we really help you understand ROI, return on investment. See, so whether you have monthly expenses, which I know you do because you're a small business, or you have debt, which is a good chance you have debt because we know 80% of Americans actually have debt. So whether you have those monthly expenses that are nagging you or debt, we help you determine what is the return on investment on those expenses and debts and allow you to then scale those back so that you can increase your net profit. So we help you 3D. We help you become lean. We help you understand your return on your investment. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is our P.A.S.S program, our Profit Accelerator Small Business System. Tried and true. We've had a 100% success rate helping our clients across the country implement this system. And how are we able to do this? Some of it's because of my background. So if you did not know, I've been a financial advisor going on close to 20 years. I've been an entrepreneur for over 20 years. I've had successful businesses. I've had businesses fail. So I bring that experience to the table because as your CFO, coach, financial advisor, and business optimization expert, we have the experience and the resources to help you grow a healthy business and allow yourself to become financially free. Feel free to go check us out at perryjeffries.com so you can learn more about our P.A.S.S program and get more information about how you could take your business from being one of the 70 to 80% of businesses that are potentially failing to being one of the 20% of businesses that are ultra successful. Look forward to talking to you.